Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought we'll go out to the mountain ranges of Dandenong to take some photos. I've just come across this beautiful farming area. Thought I'll give it a go taking a couple of photos here, and we'll see what we can come up with. Let's put this G9 to test with landscape. I'm at the reserve. Let's go and see what we can, if we can find any nice scenery. See, this is a heavy, dense woodland, so we'll see what we can find here. It's quite early, no one's here yet, and I'll take some pictures around here as well. Just looks quite nice. Hi guys, I'm here at the Silvan Dam. So just come out here to take some photos of the dam and take some sceneries. This is out in the Dandenong ranges of Melbourne. Very small dam, but it's an old one. As you can probably see right behind me is where the dam is. So just gonna try to take some photos. It's quite hard to get photos here at this location because there's a barbed wire fence right at it, so you can't really go in. So I'm gonna try to do my best to bring out some nice photos and see how we can do this with few edits. Alright, so just using G9 with 12 to 35 2.8 lens. Excellent combination. I'm finding it, you know, this is producing some amazing photos, so hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, now I'm about to go into a very restricted area where there's a woodland that has been closed for some time, and it's closed indefinitely, so it has footbridges, which is not quite safe. So let's go and see what we can find. Alright guys, so I'm on a nature trail. Now there was a sign there advising do not enter, so I'm not going to go too far. Because it could be dangerous. See that? It could be dangerous, so let's see how this is going to turn. It's a bit slippery. Looks like there hasn't been much people here at all. That's a footbridge, if you can see. So they said it's unsafe because footbridges are not maintained, so a bit stupid to go over it. So this is where I'll stop. We'll take some photos from here, and it's a nice place to take some woodland photos. Let's see what we can come up with.